Good morning. This is Rizwan speaking. The other day, I have showed you how to automate our copy pasting stuff in terminal. Basically, that was a bash scripting. To do the same task in that way was little bit difficult in that sense that you need to repeat the same commands every time you do the same task, but we didn't wanted to do that. I want to write a script which script will do the same task over and over again, so I don't need to write every time the same commands. So what I came up with, Python script with the combination of regex or regular expression. What this code does is it takes everything in my clipboard what I have copied, and then it sort out only the links and give me the results. Let me show you what I am saying. So suppose I want only the links from here. It's like 500 links in this website. So I can select all, copy this one, copy, and then if I run this code, what it will do, it will take all the information from here, all the data from this website, whatever I have copied, and then it will sort out automatically based on these regex expressions, and then give me the results with only link, nothing else. Now I can run. If I run this one, what it does, it give me a text line of 501. It means it took all the links from that website. It could be from any websites, it doesn't matter. So I can copy this one and then do the same. It will grab all the links, whatever it's been here. So this is so simple. I would give the script in the description, and you could also run this one. So you can only copy paste the websites but not telephone numbers, not emails. If you want to do the same task, this code will work, this whole code will work, but you just need to change this regex expression from there, and then it will work for telephone number, for email addresses, for postcode. So just you need to work on the regex on this code. That's it. Thank you very much for watching my video.